Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make a very simple and beautifully baby frock design. It will be making it in my own size so that you can easily adjust it to your preferred size. I took 2.5 inches of fabric, so let's begin. First, I folded the cloth into 4 layers. The closed side is facing me and the open side is at the top. I measured the body length as 15 inches and added 1 inch for stitching, making a total of 16 inches. Now I will cut the armhole. I took the shoulder measurement and marked it at 7 inches. For the sleeve length, I took 6 inches and marked it, creating a box shape. The body measurement is 36 inches. Dividing that by 4, I got 9 inches. So I marked 9 inches for the body width. The waist measurement is also 36 inches. So again I marked 9 inches. After dividing it by 4, I added 1 inch for stitching. Now I will cut along the markings. I won't be cutting the neck part because I have already prepared it. The neck marking tutorial is in my previous video, so I skipped that part here to keep this video short. For reference, I cut the front neck at 6 inches and the back neck at 3 inches. And I added interfacing pasting paper to both. Next, I will cut the sleeve. I folded the fabric into 4 and took a sleeve length of 12 inches, adding 1 inch for stitching. I marked 3 inches long the side. For the sleeve width, I took 10 inches. Since it's double folded, that is 5 inches, and added 1 inch for stitching. With that, the body part is completely cut. For the bottom part, I took 48 inches of fabric. The full length, including the body, is 32 inches. Now let's move on to seam. First, I will attach the neckline. I am sewing the neck pieces I prepared earlier. I will sew the back neck the same way. Both necks are now ready and I will attach them to the main body. First, I will attach the neckline. I am sewing the neck pieces I prepared earlier. I will sew the back neck the same way. Both necks are now ready and I will attach them to the main body. It's easier to set the neckline first because it is straight in place and it's easier to sew properly. I sewed it exactly like that. After sewing, I trimmed off the extra fabric on the sides and made a small notch. But be carefully not to wear through the stitching. Next, I top stitch the neckline so it folds nicely. See how beautifully it folds? I added another stitch on top for extra finish. I made both neckline this way. Now I attach the two shoulders together. this completes the body portion neatly. I tried to show the process as simple as possible. I also attach lace on both sides of the sleeves for an elegant touch. And added lace at the bottom here. Then I attach the bottom skirt part on the body. And that's it. The dress is complete. I finished it in short amount of time. Let me know how it turned out in the comment. And don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Stay well and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.